Out the damn Chevy keys, bro. Why I tell you. But we still nice and clean though. A little simple little blow up bag will do the trick. Yeah. Woo. Yo, we back at it again with another little vlog. Headed to the crib. Just left O'Reilly's. I had to go get a rearview mirror and the correct reverse light bulbs. The ones that the dude sold me the other day, they was not the correct ones, and I had to go back to go get them. So, I'm gonna go home, go pop on this rearview mirror, and check the fluids inside the Melrose, pull out, man. I'm gonna go hang with my dogs tonight, get a little slide session in. Enjoy the vibes, man, but I'm really trying to work out all these bugs before the Florida Classic come. Was supposed to be in Fort Pierce this week. Tiffany decided that she wanted to leave with my trailer keys, and as we all know, Melrose ain't getting on no damn U-Haul. So I went ahead and I just postponed that. I said, shit, when I go down there to install the music and whatnot next month, then I'll go ahead and get all that taken care of. Go ahead and get y'all some footage, man. We'll go ahead and hang out tonight. It's Friday. I'm feeling good. Just, you know, little hurricane thing that had them came by, had them brought in some good wind, man. So I'm go ahead, let me slow my ass down. I'm gonna hang out, man. Look why I said I need to slow my ass down. So you need to pull that over just a tad bit more, dog. But yeah, man, on the way to the high. Before we do any vlogging of anything, man, I gotta get this whole driveway situation taken care of. Storm came through last night, and this is pretty much all the damage that it did. So go ahead and use this little leaf blower, man. Get all this out the way real quick first, so we can pull Melrose out, get all cleaned up and whatnot. So this is the part that I did not show y'all. So here, and I still got that stuff from when I got wet sand and buff all up in the cracks. I went ahead and just popped out the light. It's 3 screws that go along. I only had 1 screw here, and same for the other side over here. 1 screw in the middle for some odd reason. So now I gotta go hunt down where's my other 2 screws that go along here. Right now it's really not that important, so I'm not really concerned about it. But once I do end up putting the music in the inside of the trunk, I will need it. So let's play around with this real quick. See if it's the bulb or what. Trying not to scratch the paint. I'm also trying to bring these out. Even though I know it's enough material on my car for the paint not to scratch, but still, man, I'm gonna take the whole thing off. And I peeped that this one and that one lit up, so that being said, man, I ain't finna even fool around with that, boy. And the only reason why I say I'm not is because we got Florida Classic in less than like 60 days, and I'm not trying to go back around right now, though. I'm not trying to go back around, man, because the crazy thing about my paint is that you can't spot paint this. I thought going like a smooth red like this, if I ever needed to, you know, spot paint or something like that, man, this red is just like candy, dog. If you ever seen my car in person, my car glows like 3 different colors at one time. I'm not gonna say at one time, but different parts of it. So you got bright early morning, man, you'll catch this car probably like an orange color. And then from orange, she'll go to just being like regular bright red after 12 o'clock. Evening time, she'll go down to being like a magenta pink color. And then nighttime is regular. Down here to the little spot over here, and I locked the damn Chevy keys up. Boy, I tell you. But we still nice and clean though. A little simple little blow up bag will do the trick. Good thing for AAA. Boy, I had to drive about an hour. What you say, about an hour?
45 minutes.
About 45 minutes here, man. Well, you know, we got it done. And my food just came to the table, so you already know how I'm feeling right now. Yes, sir. And something told me right before I left the house, I said, man, something gonna happen. My left, I was just jumping like crazy. As soon as I got here, I hopped out the car. I looked back, I said, kiss my behind. What's so crazy is I got my keys right here. It's the backup keys. I keep like a spare key up on the OBS key. And then this one is for the door. And just like that, we open. I hit something. I don't know what I hit. I hit something. So, yo, man, I'm back home. Take me a good old shower, man. Lay myself down. I had to come from out of that garage, man. I got some good neighbors. Don't get me wrong. I got some good neighbors, man. But, well, my neighbors just low-key spooked the hell out of me, man. Man, gonna talk about some damn hate Trey. Bro, what the hell is you doing in the bushes, man? But I fuck with him, though, man, because he watched the whole damn neighborhood, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I can't give y'all every little detail on where I go when I'm hanging out with my friends and whatnot, man. But it was good to get Melrose out. We stretched and took her all the way down there to Orlando. As y'all know, I stay like damn near 65, 70 miles from Orlando, boy. So that's 140 miles that we just did with Melrose, and she made it back to the crib. That's what I'm talking about, man. We got her running so we can make sure when Florida Classic come around, we good to go. We're gonna be hanging and swinging and banging. But yeah, man, make sure that y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm gonna try to have this damn video edited so fast so I can go ahead and post it. Y'all have something to watch, man. As y'all can see, I'm currently on the side of the road, Melrose right now for some reason. But I'm right here by a gas station. Luckily, I'm on the side of the road. So I finna see if Finna see if I can probably just push her to the damn gas station or something, man. Try to, I don't even know if I even want to push her, man. Probably just call AAA. Give me a light little tow to the house or something, man. But what the hell?